everyone and welcome to my cooking diary. So as you all know that Navratri is coming soon. So today I'm going to show you how to make Sabudana Khichdi. Let's get started.
I have taken 1 cup of sabudana and soak it in water. You can soak it for 4 hours or overnight as well. Take 1 tablespoon of Desi ghee in a pan. Heat it a little. Add 1/4 cup of peanuts. We will saute the peanuts for 3 to 4 minutes on low flame until the peanuts are crunchy and they have changed the color. Our peanuts are now done. You can now remove it from the flame. In the same pan, take 1 tablespoon of Desi ghee. Let it heat it up. 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. 1 green chilli finely chopped and few curry leaves. Saute it a little bit. Now add finely chopped tomato. I have taken 1 large tomato here. Give it a good mix. Add little salt as per your taste. We will saute the tomatoes till it has become little soft. Now add 1 medium boiled potato. Give it a good mix. We will saute it for 1 or 2 minutes. Cover the pan with a lid and let it cook for a minute. Open the lid after a minute and it's time to add the sabudana now. I have already strained the sabudana. Add salt as per your taste. Saute this for 3 to 4 minutes on low to medium flame. Your sabudana will start turning translucent. Add some desi ghee if required in between. Cover the pan with a lid for a minute. Open the lid after a minute and give a good mix to the khichdi. The khichdi is now completely cooked. Give it a good mix again. Add roasted peanuts and mix well. Add freshly chopped coriander and little lemon juice. Your khichdi is now ready. Transfer it to a bowl. Garnish it with some peanuts and freshly chopped coriander. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Please like, share and comment and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you next time. Bye bye.